Welcome back, everybody. This is Steve, KM9G, and I just wanted to show you real quick what I took with me through airport security as far as ham radio gear goes. Hang on a second. All right, fantastically lovely hotel sheet set. This is just beautiful, welcoming, and inviting. What I've got is the X6100 in a real quick packable bag that I can toss into a backpack. In here I have some coax to get to an antenna. I have the USB cable for data. I have an Anderson power pole cable, and I have a nice leather logbook here that's got some awesome stickers that I got from the Hamfest in it, as well as my field notes and a couple of other useful items, and then the radio down here. There is a video on this bag up over here if you want to see that. I took a 2 m 440 handheld. This is the BTEC 6x2. This also does DMR. I took the spare battery with it. I have the battery charger for the Bio-Eno. You can take much larger Bio-Enos than this. Check with the TSA website to stay up to date on that. But this one here is a 36 watt-hour, 3 amp-hour battery. Team zip tie for the win. Took some zip ties with me. And then the Cartena with the straight wind. I know there's a little bit of winding controversy right now out on the internet, but this is the straight wind. I do that when it's real big and bulky, and the goat wind wouldn't work out so well, so team straight. All right, that was it. Short, simple, sweet little POTA kit that I took with me to have a radio and HF rig with me while I was at Hamcation in Florida. TSA didn't give me any grief whatsoever, didn't have to take it out of the bag. I took the X6100, that's my little pet radio right now, but you could take your 705, your 891. You could probably take an 991 if you wanted to. But remember, you got to carry this thing with you all the way through the airport, all the way through security, all the way down the gate ramp, on the airplane. It's going to be with you. Pack small, folks. Ounces or pounds. There's a video right over here I think you will enjoy next. Otherwise, thanks for being awesome. We'll see you in the next one.